Hello everyone, welcome back to English in Daily Life.
Hi friends, we're Stephanie and Ronald, and we are very happy to practice English with you today.
Today we will talk about online conversations. Many of us chat online every day on WhatsApp, Instagram, email, or video calls.
Yes, and sometimes we don't know what to say in English. Don't worry, today we will learn simple and useful phrases.
We will follow a simple method. Listen, discuss, listen again.
This helps you remember the phrases easily.
Before we start, please like the podcast and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more English lessons for you.
All right, take a deep breath, relax, and let's start learning. Ronald, greeting someone online.
Ronald, when you start an online conversation, the first step is greeting.
Yes, greeting means saying hello. Some simple greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good evening, hey.
Let's hear a short example. Ronald, hi Stephanie, how are you?
Hi Ronald, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Very simple, right? Now listen again.
Hi Stephanie, how are you?
Hi Ronald, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Great job if you repeated that. Asking, what are you doing?
Ronald, when chatting online, we often ask what someone is doing. A very common question is, what are you doing?
Yes, or we can say, what are you doing now? What's up? What are you up to?
Let's listen to an example. Ronald, hey Stephanie, what are you doing?
Stephanie, I'm studying English.
Ronald, nice, I'm recording a podcast.
Stephanie, good. Now let's discuss the answer. When someone asks, what are you doing? You can answer like this. I'm working. I'm watching a movie. I'm cooking dinner. I'm studying English.
Ronald, now listen again. Hey Stephanie, what are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Nice, I'm recording a podcast.
Talking about your day. Stephanie, in online chats, people often talk about their day. You can say, my day is busy. My day is good. My day is relaxing.
Ronald, here's a short conversation. How was your day?
My day is good. I had a quick breakfast.
What did you eat?
My quick breakfast is a banana and tea.
That sounds healthy.
Now let's repeat the key phrase. My day is good. Say it with us.
My day is good.
Excellent.
Ronald, asking about plans. Another common online question is, what are your plans?
Yes, this means what you will do later. Examples, I will study tonight. I will watch a movie. I will meet my friend. I will sleep early.
Ronald, let's listen to a dialogue. What are your plans tonight?
I will watch a movie.
Nice, I will read a book.
Simple and useful English. Now listen again.
What are your plans tonight?
I will watch a movie.
Nice, I will read a book.
Stephanie, responding politely.
Ronald, when someone tells you something online, you should respond politely. Some useful phrases are, that's nice, sounds good, great, good idea.
Example, conversation. Stephanie, I'm learning English every day.
Ronald, that's great.
Stephanie, yes, practice helps a lot.
Ronald, now repeat the key phrase. That's great.
Yes, you are doing great already. In this part, we will continue learning more phrases for online conversations. These are phrases you can use when chatting with friends, classmates, or coworkers.
Ronald, remember our method. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Let's begin with a very common question people ask online.
The question is, where are you right now? People ask this when they want to know your location.
Yes, you can answer in many simple ways. Examples, I am at home. I am at work. I am at school. I am at a cafe.
Ronald, let's listen to a small conversation. Hey Stephanie, where are you right now?
I'm at home. I'm sitting in my room.
Nice, I'm at a small cafe.
That sounds relaxing. Good, now listen again.
Hey Stephanie, where are you right now?
I'm at home. I'm sitting in my room.
Nice. I'm at a small cafe.
Great job listening. Now let's learn another useful question. The question is, are you busy?
Ronald. Yes, people often ask this before starting a long conversation.
Yes, you can answer like this. Yes, I'm a little busy. No, I'm free right now. I'm busy, but I can talk for a few minutes.
Ronald. Let's hear an example.
Hey, Stephanie, are you busy? Not really. I'm free right now.
Great. I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
Now listen again. Hey, Stephanie, are you busy?
Not really. I'm free right now.
Great. I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead. Excellent listening. Now let's learn how to ask for help online.
Ronald. Sometimes we need help with homework, work, or technology.
Yes, a simple phrase is, can you help me?
Very useful. Other examples, can you help me with this? Can you explain this to me? Can you show me how to do this?
Stephanie, let's hear a conversation. Stephanie, can you help me?
Ronald. Sure. What do you need?
Stephanie, I don't understand this English word.
Ronald. No problem. I will explain it.
Stephanie, that's very kind.
Ronald. Now listen again.
Stephanie, can you help me?
Ronald. Sure. What do you need?
Stephanie, I don't understand this English word.
Ronald. No problem. I will explain it. Nice work. Now let's talk about sharing good news online.
Stephanie, when something good happens, we often tell our friends. Useful phrases are, I have good news. Guess what? Something great happened today.
Ronald. Example conversation. Ronald. Hey, Stephanie, guess what?
Stephanie, what happened?
Ronald. I finished my English course today.
Wow, that's amazing.
Ronald. Thank you. I'm very happy.
Stephanie, now listen again.
Hey, Stephanie, guess what?
What happened?
I finished my English course today.
Wow, that's amazing. Now let's learn phrases for reacting to news.
Ronald. Yes, when someone tells you something, you can react. Some easy reactions are, that's great, that's interesting, really? Wow.
Stephanie, example dialogue. Stephanie, Ronald, I started learning guitar.
Ronald. Really? That's interesting.
Stephanie, yes, I practice every evening.
Ronald. That's great. Ronald. Friends, you were learning many useful phrases today.
Yes, and remember, repetition helps learning.
Ronald. Let's repeat some phrases together.
Stephanie, repeat after us. I am at home.
Ronald. I am at home.
Stephanie, are you busy?
Ronald. Are you busy?
Stephanie, can you help me?
Ronald. Can you help me?
Stephanie, guess what?
Ronald. Guess what?
Excellent.
Ronald. Now let's continue with another daily conversation topic, talking about food online.
Stephanie, people love talking about food.
Ronald. Yes, a common question is, what are you eating?
Stephanie, example answers. I'm eating rice. I'm eating noodles. I'm having lunch. I'm having dinner.
Ronald. Let's listen to the conversation. Ronald. What are you eating?
Stephanie, I'm eating noodles.
Ronald. Nice. I'm eating fruit.
Healthy choice.
Ronald. Now listen again. Ronald. What are you eating?
Stephanie, I'm eating noodles.
Nice. I'm eating fruit.
Now let's talk about watching videos online.
Ronald. A very common question is, what are you watching?
Stephanie, example answers. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a YouTube video. I'm watching a series.
Ronald. Example conversation. Ronald, what are you watching?
I'm watching a cooking video.
Sounds interesting.
Yes, I like learning new recipes.
Ronald. Now listen again. Ronald, what are you watching?
I'm watching a cooking video.
Sounds interesting.
You are doing very well.
Yes, if you are still listening and repeating the sentences, your English is improving.
Learning a language takes patience.
But step by step, you will become more confident.
Before we finish this part, let's review some key phrases again.
Ronald, where are you right now? Are you busy? Can you help me? Guess what? What are you eating? What are you watching?
These phrases are very common in online conversations.
Ronald, try to use them today when chatting with someone.
Practice makes progress.
Ending an online chat. When a conversation finishes, we say goodbye. Common phrases. Talk to you later. See you later. Bye. Have a nice day.
Let's hear a small example.
I have to go now.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Very natural and friendly.
Now let's practice a longer conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, Stephanie.
Hi, Ronald. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm studying English. What about you?
I'm working on my laptop.
Nice. How is your day?
My day is busy, but good.
That's great.
What are your plans tonight?
I will watch a movie and relax.
Sounds good.
All right, I have to go now.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Great work today. Let's review the key phrases we learned.
Greeting phrases. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Questions. How are you? What are you doing? How is your day? What are your plans? Responses. I'm good. I'm studying English. My day is good. I will watch a movie. Ending phrases. Talk to you later. See you later. Bye.
If you practiced with us today, good job. You are improving your English step by step.
Remember, learning English takes practice. Speak a little every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Before we finish, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you usually do online? Do you chat, watch videos, or study English?
We love reading your answers.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode of English in Daily Life.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.